What's up? Welcome back to another video where I am on the Hot Wheels Truck Destroyer map. This time we actually have real monster trucks. I know, I've been teasing up to this point, but we have real monster trucks. I think right now we're gonna start out with the Legend. Gravedigger. Alright. We're going through. We're gonna first jump right here. It's a nice little jump. Hit the back of this jump. Nice, nice. Oh, save it. Oh, what a save. Reverse off that. Notice that the little Gravedigger Legend has a very over horsepowered engine compared to the others. But right now, Legend is doing. Oh, Gravedigger is doing pretty good. Look at that. That wall's dangerous. Tire. Oh, double it up. Reverse it. Can he get up? Oh, no he can't. Can he get up? Oh, that front axle's dead. Even if he does get up, that front axle's disconnected. If we take a look at the damage, yup. Even if he was able to get up, he's not going to be able to do much, so... Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. There's a last light. Alright. Wait, it's still connected. He gets... Oh. Oh. That's looks like it's gonna be it for Gravedigger, but he's gonna be able to drive it back. He's going to be able to drive it back. He's a lot luckier than some are gonna be today. But not a bad performance. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Not a bad performance. Next up, Earthshaker. Let's do this. Pretty powerful engine, I'd say. Popping wheelies every time we want to gain speed. Oh, save it. Save it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wait, oh. God, oh. Oh, save it. Oh, backflips. Backflips. He'll only be able to save it this time. He will. Oh, after that performance, a front flip. A front flip. Into that. That was an amazing performance, but without steering. Much steering. It's gonna be hard. Oh, and it's Oh god! That's gonna be harsh. Yep, there goes a wheel. And he's stuck in the car. No, he's not. He's not. He's fighting. Alright, I'm gonna try to get them. Up. So I can drive them back. He got him up. I have one wheel. Alright, it's gonna be hard to get him back. Oh god, no. Oh no. But we got him back inevitably. That was a good run. Or Earth Shaker. If I can find its name. Yep, Earth Shaker. Next up, Medusa. Medusa having a great run so far, although I can see a broken piece of that front axle back down there. I don't know if that's gonna... Oh! There's a tire deflated. This is gonna be a tough one. Oh, the front tire deflated. Backflip. Whatever that was, it was not a backflip. And it's not the end for Medusa either. Medusa with the save. Medusa's still in this. Medusa's still in this. Oh, Medusa has a chance to save it here. Saves it, and Medusa goes back. Crippled. Next up, it's gonna be one of my longer videos. Next up, Mac. I think it's Max D. Yeah, Max D. Yeah, let's turn the reverse here. Gonna hit this first jump at pretty much full speed. No, this is not it for Mad Max. Not this soon. Okay. Tramples the tanker on one wheel. Tramples the cars. Is that gonna be it? Yup. That is it for Mad Max. That's it for Mad Max. Mad Max going out pretty, yeah. No, Mad Max. Max D going out pretty early. But anyways, next up we got El Toro Loco. Not a fan favorite in the Monster Jam world, but maybe not here. 4 trucks left if we include this one. Let's make them count. Full speed. Oh, don't pull him, Max D. Oh, that was clean. It's just wheels everywhere. What a backflip! And he saves it. Just gonna slowly trample the cars. Saves that one on 2 wheels at one point. Well, that was an awkward jump. Yep, that back tire's gone. Back tire's gone. He's useless right now. A couple of both of the front tires. Oh, he gets in the stands. El Toro Loco going for the crowd. Oh, yep, there goes the front wheel. That's not it for El Toro Loco. He's going in for the backflip. Misses it though, inevitably. But he's not done. El Toro Loco completely stripped of his identity right now. That's not it for El Toro Loco. It's never it. Toro Loco is just fighting. He is just fighting right now. Absolutely not giving up. He does not want to end up like Max D, and there it is! The save! Is he still going to be doing jumps? He hits a jump with no wheel. Is he gonna hit this one? This is the hardest jump to master here. Alright, I think he's gonna take it back. Before he hits one more jump on the way. Whee! Alright. Again, going out. With broken, like, everything. The only person not able to drive back was Max D over there, sadness. Alright, next up, Mohawk Warrior. Turn on that rear steering, my G. Alright, hit the jump, Mohawk Warrior. The front's already off of Mohawk Warrior. I see a lot of damage in that suspension. Oh, and there goes the axle early on. You hate to see Monster Jam great have to leave this early, but it doesn't look like he's giving up. Looks like he's gonna try to drive without that front axle intact. He can't steer. Is he gonna do a backflip without that front axle intact? Oh, no, he's not, because Mohawk goes flying. Will Mohawk Warrior be able to save this? He might be. That's not it. He is able to get it upright. Question is if he'll be able to get it back. Willie. Oh my god. This would be a miracle. Is he gonna hit another jump on the way back as well? At least attempt to hit the jump, but I don't think he's going to be able to. But no, he does. He hits it. Oh, and he ran into Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo has been run into. Oh, and there goes Mohawk Warrior. Got his wheel stuck in the cinder block. Oh, wow. Okay, whatever. Next, Scooby-Doo. Just gonna reset Scooby-Doo because he was hit by Mohawk Warrior earlier, as you probably all saw. Oh, Scooby-Doo gasses it towards that first jump. Turns into like a mini wheelie. Yeah, that's gonna be one of my longer videos. Oh, puts it on two wheels. Has to go around the wreckage. It's gonna slowly go over these cars. That was a harsh landing. Alright, way to save it by Scooby-Doo. You know what? Oh, he runs into Mad Max, rips the hood off. Wait, is Mad Max on fire? Max D is on fire. Max D has been set on fire. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. But Scooby-Doo's still going at it. He's still going. Scooby-Doo's still going when Max D was just there normally. But Max D's not. I think, yeah, Scooby-Doo lost frontal steering. Actually, no, Scooby-Doo did not lose frontal steering, it's just truck up. This is gonna make him lose frontal steering. Yep, there goes the axle. Scooby-Doo. No, never mind. He's not going out like Mad Max. Yeah. He's gonna hit a couple more. Is he gonna hit this jump? He is! He's hitting jumps. And saves. With no front axle. Front steering, but the axle's disconnected. Look. Oh no! There goes the hood of US Air Force afterburner. Scooby-Doo goes crazy. there goes the axle. Next, U.S. Air Force Afterburner. Let's do this. Turns that into the wheelie and into a front flip into the stands. Oh, and he goes out. Oh, no, he's not. He caught a piece of the bench. He's still in it. Cosmetic injuries only. Yeah, that back roll cage is... Oh, and Mohawk Warrior. I'm not even gonna ask. I want to catch a piece of that. Oh, he's up. It's the storybook run by U.S. Air Force Afterburner. Did I ever turn on rear? I did not turn on rear steering. Oh, well, that would have been a storybook save, but it still is. Look at him go. Woo. Alright, as he approaches this jump. Oh, by the way, Max D is not on fire anymore. That back axle not looking too good for U.S. Air Force Afterburner. Yeah, I see some damage back there in the wheels. I saw it when he landed. Yep, you can see it right there. He puts power down that wheel. Just gets mauled. Gets stuck somehow. Oh, he's gonna line up. Full speed. Oh! Oh my god! He's still going! He's still going! He doesn't give up. He's going in reverse. Oh, yeah. That was not a great idea by U.S. Air Force Afterburner. Oh! Yeah, that axle's almost completely dislodged. He can do donuts, though! Oh, yeah, he can fight it. That whole rear is being held on by like 2 strings. If he can get rid of it, might be able to get back. get rid of that rear axle. It's an awkward way to get stuck, but this might be it. Yep. Well, that was a great run by U.S. Air Force Afterburner. If I were to say if anybody won, I'd give it to Afterburner. I can't give it to anybody else. Alright, well, see you guys in the next video. Peace.